Hey, you all, Carpetbagger here, coming to you live from the south, more specifically, Williston, Florida, and even more specifically than that, we are at Kirby Family Farms. Now, we are on, it is a charity, actually. It is a children's charity that helps out underprivileged children with medical issues, basically any child that is in need. And to help raise money, they have several events that occur throughout the course of the year. But here in haunt season, they have a very spooky event called Spooky Train, and we're going to be enjoying the festivities of Spooky Train tonight. But before now, just taking a look around the property, and look at this behind me. Look at this. I will just let you take this in. This is the old Ringling Brothers and Barnum and Bailey circus train. They're working on restoring this, but it's stored back here on the property. You can see the logo there, the greatest show on earth. My mom used to take me to the circus when I was a little kid. I always wanted to go back as an adult, but then the circus vanished and closed down forever. Look at that giant circus train there. That is crazy. So, as we enjoy Kirby Family Farms and Scary Train, please follow me. Don't scare me, don't scare me. Don't scare me! What? What? Don't come up behind me, come on. Oh, look at that. There's a car in the tree.
It's gonna keep coming. We're gonna start fast, and it's not gonna let up until the last guest is peed themselves. Get them! Okay?
I'll do that.
Or going into what do you mean the last guest? Why
I'm gonna cut this, right to the point. I feel the energy. I feel good. Look how many people are here. So, y'all got me? I want to hear that weed eater buzzing. You got me? All right. Let's do this tonight.
Masters! Call to me! Okay, one more time because I'm half deaf and I can't hear you. Monsters! Call to me!
All right, I got in a little early. They're gonna be starting the festivities here in just a few moments. You can see the Scary Train hearse right there. Here's some of the haunts that we'll be experiencing. Bloomtown Beast, the dark ride, the trailer park in Lost Railroad. And the dark ride, it's actually a dark ride. Yes, look at this. It's authentic traveling carnival dark ride. Just get a look here. See that awesome cart right there. You can see the demon with the glowing eye. These wonderful fantasy murals. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait for this dark ride to open. This way. There is a lot of old hearses here. You know, I thought about buying a hearse. I thought it'd be fun to travel in, and then you could always sleep in the back, but apparently they don't get very good miles per gallon. Some more hearses out here. And this here is really cool. Daryl Kirby, the owner of the farm, was telling me that this fire truck was used solely to make sure that space launches, it was owned by NASA, made sure that space launches and landings were safe. Isn't that crazy? You can see the little mini train right here. Now they do have some antique rides here at Kirby Farms, but they do not operate them during the Scary Train event. Wiggly Wally, he is apparently a caterpillar that wears a sombrero. Here it looks like we have some flying buffalo. This rotating buffalo ride. Here at Kirby Farms, every year they actually have a event celebrating Six Gun Territory, a extinct amusement park here in Florida, a Wild West style amusement park. Howdy, partners. Look at this beautiful sunset, but also this beautiful old merry-go-round here. These are the ones that have like the bouncing horse, where you can bounce up and down in the horse, and then they have like a little teacup style seat where you can rotate that while the merry-go-round goes round. All right, I was gonna hop on Dark Ride right away, but apparently they're gonna open up shortly. They're just working out a few last things before they open up for the night. So we're gonna check out some of the other haunts. All right, we're gonna check out the Bloomtown Beast. So we head here through the woods. Whoa, what was that?
Sorry, thought it was Timmy. Timmy's the beast, by the way.
Timmy's the Beast?
Yeah, he tries to eat me.
Entering Bloomtown here, established 1874.
147 years ago, on the dot.
On the dot. So it looks like this is a Wild West. Oh! Gosh. Why'd that guy yell so loud? Oh! Gosh. That was a loud scream.
Get out of our town!
Out of your town? Oh! Is that a gunshot?
Get out of our town!
Oh.
Would you like to pet Betsy?
Betsy?
You find her legs, please bring them back.
Her legs.
Oh, yes.
Oh, okay.
Oh, wishing you safe journeys.
Thank you. That person was a lot nicer.
Coming back!
What?
Don't go in the woods, I'm telling you!
What's in the woods?
People don't come back! In the woods. They're not coming back.
They're not coming back? Are you gonna follow me? All right, being followed by some bloody people. Oh, why'd you scream? You should call this Scream Town.
Get out of the woods. Get out of the woods.
All right, I'm gonna get out of the woods. It said instructed me to get out of the woods. Oh, why are you following me? Oh, there's a pile of cow skeletons. Oh, what is that? Oh, gosh! Shooting guns at people. Oh, wow, that's a lot of cow bones. Look at all those jaws. All right, next up, we're gonna head into Clown Woods. Enter through here. All right, heading through the mouth hole of this giant clown.
Good. So, would you like wild or mild?
Wild or mild, what's the difference?
They're both equally horrifying.
Let's go with wild then.
Wild it is. Please keep all hands, feet, and fecal matter to yourself as you pass through the outhouse.
So we're going in an outhouse. Oh, this is the biggest outhouse I've ever been in. Oh, shit! Oh, why my feet? Oh, look at this. There's even more purses. Oh, no! Jeez. Not supposed to run with scissors. How is running with chainsaw? Oh! Oh, why are you menacing me? God! Oh, there's an ice cream truck here. Well, what's going on in there? All right, into the ice cream truck. Hey! How are you?
I'm well, how are you?
Pretty good. Oh, that's a weird noise. All right. Oh, look at the penguin right there.
Don't touch my toys!
Oh, you got me there, man.
Whoa.
Taste the rainbow!
Jeez. Sweet 16. Hi, it's your birthday?
Yep, it's my birthday, Sweet 16.
Well, happy birthday.
Thank you so much. Say hi to Bob for me.
Who's Bob?
In front of you.
Okay, here's the callback. This is Bob the clown right there. Hey there. Oh, you got a chainsaw?
Do you want some poop?
That's poop?
Yeah!
Oh my gosh, you got toilets right there.
I'm asking you a question. Do you want some?
I don't think it's sanitary.
It's very sanitary.
Oh,
You want some?
Sparky's place? Who's Sparky? You see a fire truck back there. Oh, that must be Sparky.
Might want to put that out.
Oh, Hidden Mickey.
Hey, you got a drink?
Pick one, I'll make you rat stew. How about some rat barbecue? A rat barbecue. Won't you stay and help?
Oh, there's rats hanging in the air.
Yes, they only want to
Get out. I hate when they're rude. Some sort of spider tunnel in here. There's a real tarantula. Oh yeah. Tarantulas. Real live tarantulas. Tarantula in there. Oh yeah, look at that big tarantula. Spider webs. I don't know that tarantulas make webs. But, oh, anyway. There's a big old spider in there. Here it says, I survived scary train. See, a clown and a spider. It's, two things that a lot of people are afraid of. All right, let's head into the trailer park. They've constructed a real trailer park out of old single-wide trailers. Here you can see it's encircled by buses.
When you go into my trailer park, you're going to go to the left.
All right.
Or go around the car.
All right.
Whatever you do, don't touch my tree on the left.
Don't touch the tree.
Last person that touched it. This is
Oh,
what
they got their hands cut off. Okay.
That's right. So. Next victim!
A victim.
Go right ahead.
It's a cop car. So right this way. Oh, being blinded by this cop car. You can see, Ah! Yeah, there was a child.
Well, my bikes, they are much better.
What?
My bikes.
Your bikes are better? Oh, these are your bikes? Ah! Ah!
Give me a donut.
There's a cop in the trunk of the cop car. It's yelling, "Get me a donut." Oh, this is cool. With the old school bus. It's old cigarette machines. So a jet ski right there. I guess I go into this trailer. Ow! It's honky. Why honking? Oh, look at all these trophies.
What is the matter with your company? What you just walked
Oh, you're sawing your arm off?
Thank you for stating the obvious. What you just walk into people's houses and videotape
Oh.
permission, nothing. You don't wipe your face.
I'm sorry.
You ought to be sorry. What
Where'd you
face with no manners?
where'd you win all these trophies?
What do you care? My husband won all these trophies. What does your husband do? Huh?
Oh, I don't have a husband.
Well, that's too bad for you. You just need to keep on moving.
Okay,
brother.
so tell me to keep moving into this kitchen. Ah! Oh my gosh, that was the scariest I've ever been. It was a small child. Oh, oh, oh. Kids are so scary. Jeez. Oh, where am I going? Am I going in this trailer now? I like this. This is really creative. Hello? Oh man, it's so dark in here. This is spooky. Oh! God. Oh, what are we doing? Oh, look at this big boat out here. Please don't let the dog out. Oh, look at this. Look at this. There's an emu. The emu is gonna jump scare me. Oh my gosh. This is fun. Oh my gosh. Hey, emu. The only haunt that has an emu in it, probably. If you know another haunt that has an emu in it, leave a comment in the comments section. This reminds me of my old job. Oh! Oh. Hey.
Looking for a trailer?
Yeah.
I'll put you in one for like $650 a month.
$650? That's not bad.
Yeah, you pay that rent, we'll put you in one.
Awesome.
Don't pay that rent. We'll put you under one.
Oh my gosh, that's a little harsh. Oh, there's someone playing guitar in here. Rock and roll. That's amazing. Oh wow. Awesome. Oh my gosh. Hello? Oh, okay, we're headed out of this trip. Oh, loud banging, jeez. Oh, there's an old swimming pool out here, but it's empty. Oh, this is really a cool idea. Oh, what is? You're a bushman with.
Hey,
well,
you want to learn how not to swim?
You're swimming in the pool. That's great. Oh man. Oh my gosh. Oh. Hello? Oh, look at all these pizza boxes. I guess be quiet. Oh.
Don't let my cats out.
I won't. I was being careful. Oh my gosh. Why is there so many pizza boxes? These Little Caesars.
Here, kitty.
Ah!
It's a pizza attack. Looks like the cat's out the box.
That was interesting. Oh, it's an RV there. What's this? It's a van.
Welcome to Wheelie's Tires. We got the best service around.
Oh,
Wanna buy a tire?
wanna buy a tire?
How big? Why not? Free Wi-Fi. Who needs free Wi-Fi? I got funnel cakes up in here.
Oh, there's gunshots.
Yes, always. Get, go, get.
Hey, don't jump at me.
What's your name?
Jacob.
Oh, hi, Jacob. Don't you like it here?
I love it. Oh, what's in here? What's in this trailer? There's baby dolls nailed to the wall. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Look at all the little. Ah! Jeez. I was just enjoying the dolls. I'm sorry. Oh, there's dolls on the wall. I just want to look at. Give me a second. Okay. Oh, we're in the tunnel of dolls here. Hello? Oh, it's flashing. Hey, he knew my name. All right, so going through this hole here. You're in trouble now. Oh. Some more baby dolls. Oh, jeez. Okay, that way is the bathroom. Jeez. Okay, look at this. It appears the dark ride is opening. Oh, I can't wait. Putting some final touches here on the dark ride. Here it comes. All right, my chariot awaits. What's on the front there? We got, oh, look at that scary face. All right, gonna get in here. All right, we're going in. This is warning, vampire infection. Oh, there we go. Going in. There's that creepy head. Oh, that flashing mean face. Oh, whoa. What's going on? Oh, got a female vampire. Oh, we almost smacked into her. What's going on up there? Oh, look at that guy. Whee! This is fun. A little coffin scene there. See you, skeleton. Whoa, whoa. Where are we going? One final loop. Oh, we are out. Awesome. Oh, hey there. You all right?
Yeah, right.
Molly? Hey, hey Molly, how are you?
Just a little rough one, sir.
Oh, geez, there she goes. Calm her down. See if we can calm her down a little bit. Oh no, she's turned on you. Oh, now she wants to kill me. Okay. All right. Calm down. Calm down, Molly. What's the snake's name?
Rosie.
Hey, Rosie. Aww. And now it is time. Oh, look at that. Now it is time for the main event of Scary Train. The Scary Train.
Train arrives. When he arrives, make sure that we all clap and yell for Ivy.
Oh, it's coming. Oh, here it comes. Boarding the Scary Train. Are you the conductor?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm Clyde.
Clyde the conductor.
Indeed.
Pleasure to meet you.
I'm watching.
Why do you have to
It's alright, guys.
Remember, don't get by like how you may see your loved one.
Come on.
See some old trains back here. Here's the Barnum and Bailey circus train over here on the left.
You know what? Don't pay attention to that.
See it. And it'll know you when it sees you. Wait a minute, why is the army out here? Usually the army wouldn't leave their equipment running like this unless something was wrong. It was resolved by spraying you. Warning! Wait a minute,
Creature right there.
If there is a fourth one.
What is?
It's venom, it's highly deadly.
What is that? Oh my gosh! See some
So do not let it get you.
play
Oh
equipment.
jeez, I found something even more scary.
Oh, there's a real child.
Children! It's children! Get up!
So thank you for joining me here tonight at Scary Farm, here at Kirby Family Farm. Just a note, I wanted to mention the train engine that was pulling us on the train. It was actually from the amusement park Great America in California. I'm familiar with the Great America in Illinois, but I've never actually been to the Great America in California. But yes, wonderful, wonderful event out here. A great organization, helps children, and this is a fundraising event that helps them obtain money to help children. I had a great time out here. Loved the dark ride, of course, and I think my favorite haunt was the trailer park haunt. That was very creative, very immersive, and I have lived in trailer parks. I have worked in trailer parks, and it brought back some memories. So thank you. If you want to subscribe to this channel, let you know when new videos are coming out. I'm trying to film a spooky video. I'm trying to get one out every day in the haunt season. So stick with me. If you'd like to help support the channel, consider donating to Patreon. $3 or more will get you a postcard once a month. Also selling special Carpetbagger Dark Ride enamel pins in the Etsy shop. All that helps keep this train on the tracks, this boat on the water, and this dirigible in the air. Until next time, my friends, this one's in the bag.